Welcome to lesson 4b. In our last lesson, that was 4a, we saw the introduction to the main function. We saw what we call the main function, printing text and numbers. We created simple variables like a string and integers, and we did perform basic math operation. Today we are going to extend the lesson and we see what we call interpolation. Please just follow me and see everything that I'm doing. Do not worry, even though you do not get them at first attempt, you will be getting them slowly. Let us get started. Void main bracket okay, let us say like string name is equal to Alice, and int age is equal to 25. Print hello $, name, comma, you are $, age, years old. Okay, I forgot the quotation. That's why you've been seeing those errors. So semicolon. So we have started with the main function, and we have said string name is equal to Alice, integer name is equal to 24. We want to write a statement telling that hello Alice, you are 24 years old. So we write it like this. We are going to print. You are going to see what we are going to get. Have you seen? This is our answer. Hello Alice, you are 24 years old. You see? So let us continue. You are going to see. Please, I want you to follow me slowly so that you get everything. So when we say, okay, we did put a $sign on the name so that we wanted to call the name Alice, and also we did put the $sign on the edge that we wanted to call the years, so that we print those years. Okay, you also guys, you can practice, change the values of your, you can put your name or the age, and really you practice will make you become perfect in these things. And please do not worry rushing onto things. When you understand these smaller ones, you will be able to understand the difficult things in the future. So do not worry, you will get everything with me, but you have to make a practice. Also, let me give you something very interesting. For example, if you want to say that Alice will be 25 years next year, how do you write it without writing 25? Okay, we can say print you will be, then then we are going to bring a dollar sign. Then you are going to bring curly brackets. You'll be age plus 1. Then we are going to close the curly brackets. Next year you are going to see how it works. So instead, as if you do not know how old will be Alice, but you know the current age, sorry, this is not equals, it's a plus. Sorry, it's here, it's a plus. Okay, print, you'll be this age plus 1 next year. So we are going to print this. We are going to get the answer 25. The system is going to get the first 24 years here, and it's going to add on another year, which is 25. So let us print and we see if the system can give us 25. Yes, it has said the first one, the first print, hello Alice, you are 25 years old. You will be 25 next year. So we have printed you will be age plus 1 next year. So the system will just add 1 on the previous year. Let us continue. Now let us see other variable types. We've seen a string, we've seen an integer. Also we have what we call double. For example, you can say double height. Double height is equal to 5.7, given that's the height of Alice. Also there is what we call the boolean. The boolean that stands for whether the statement is true or false. For example, you may say the bool is a student. So you just want to see if Alice is a student or not. Maybe true. Yeah, it's true. Alice is a student. We are going to see how we deal with it. So for example, you may say that you print like, let's say, for example, you can say print Alice is also okay. For example, Alice is okay. For example, when you say okay, we just want to bring this statement true in our print, you may say Alice is then you bring a dollar sign, is a student. So the system is going to print us just true. That's the statement. But this is the best. This is not the best way how we use true and false. We are going to see the boolean in the next videos. I just wanted to show you that Alice is true. But I will show you the exact ways how we use true and false in the next statements. But this boolean statement, it has only 2 answers. It might be false or true. You will see how we use true and false in the clear ways. I just wanted to introduce it to you, so we shall see more ways, the better ways how we can use true. Yes, let us see other main operation signs. Okay, we've seen plus, we've seen addition, we use that. Then a minus, we use this one. Also a multiplication, we use this one. And in division, we use we use this one. So we are going to see other signs also. These are the signs. These are the signs, sorry. So these are the signs which we saw, the operations. Now we are going to see this sign, the modulus, it's C, it's C, no, some call it modulus, but you can say modulo. It looks like a percentage. And also this one, the division, or you can call it the division, the device where we get the whole number without the remainder. This is this sign, this one. So how do we use it? Let me first give you an example. Okay, let me first give you an example. Given int a, int a is equal to 5. Are you seeing? And int b is equal to 2. Now print a modulus b. What are we going to get? Now let me first print, and I'm going to explain you why we've got that answer. Run. The answer is 1. Why? Because this modulus sign, it helps us to see the remainder. In most cases, we use these statements if we want to test if that number is an even number or not. So it means a is not an even number because we've tried to divide it by 2, we've got a remainder. So that's how the systems are made, engineered to detect even numbers. So in this case, we've got 1. They are telling us, yes, we have a remainder of 1. So the modulus sign is help us to find if the number has a remainder. Now another sign. Let me also first print a statement, and I see and I tell you why it's giving us that. For example, 5. The device, this one, 2. What are we going to get? You see the screen and see what results are we going to get. I'm going to tell you why we've got that number. The answer we are getting 2. Why? This sign or expression help us to know how many times has this number fitted in this, how many times has A fitted in B. It helps us to get the whole number, the times that has fitted in the number without the remainder. So this expression ignores a remainder. So this modulus is the opposite of this one. So you have to know it. You may find those expressions. In most cases, the modulus is very common. You will always be meeting it. It helps us to detect if that number has a remainder or not. But this one helps us. To ignore the remainder, and it will only give us the whole number that has been able to fit in the given number. For now, guys, let us stop for now for this lesson. We are going to see more in another lesson, probably the if statement or the conditional statement. Let us meet.